Yes, let's see another question. If a resistance is ignored, a stone is dropped from top of 20-meter building. It dropped from the top of 20-meter building. The height here is 20 meter. With a speed, with the speed, of course, speed, you have the speed to be what 2 meter per second, and we say this one dropped from my height. That is my height. Yeah, my height is 20 meter. Moving at the speed of 2 meter, we hit the ground. They say it will hit this ground after how many? If a stone is dropped coming down, they say it will hit the ground after about. Check out this statement about. That means it is not exactly, but they say about. The answer is that means they've approximated the answer. Now let's check it. Let's check it out. Everybody, let's see. Equation of motion. V equals to U plus AT. V square equals to U square plus 2AS. S equals to UT plus half AT square. S equals to U plus V over 2 times T. That is part of our mecha items. Even my JS1, you'll be able to answer this one. Now, let's see. The question now says that we should find the time. Definitely, we are looking for time. If you look at the relation to everything we have here, this thing is coming from up to down. Definitely, it's gravity is given there. You have to make use of gravity. Don't forget my G. Acceleration due to gravity is going to be what? 10 meter per second square. Let us find where do we have the speed that is V, S, and where do we have our A. So we have S, UT, we have S here, you have T, the time unknown, T, acceleration and time. What to do here? What you need to do, let's quickly substitute and see so that we find the value of our T. So my S become H. You can see when it comes to linear, this is linear, but because it's ice now, we are going to make this one to become H. This one we make use of what H equals to UT plus half AT square. My S become what? The height. H equals to what? UT plus 1 over 2 GT square. Now, let's have it here. We are having this one to be what? 20 equals to, you should know this one is coming from up to down. The velocity will be what? 0. As it's coming, the V here become the initial velocity. So my U here will become what? My U here become the velocity, which is 2 meter. That is 2 times T plus 1 over 2. Acceleration due to gravity, which is G. My G is 10 meter per second times 10 T square. So this one become what? 20 equals to what? 2T plus what? 2 divided by you have 5T square. You can see, you take this one in, what do we have here? You have 2T, you have 2T plus 5T minus 20, bring it, minus 20 equals to 0. Gentlemen, if you look at this here, this is quadratic in nature. We have to solve this. We are going to have to answer from there. We separate Peter from Paul. Using general method, let's have it. Our general method using the quadratic formula. Please just follow up. Now, let's have it. From here, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 alpha. My b, what do you have? Minus 5 plus or minus square root. Okay, sorry. From here, this becomes 5t square. 5t square. So if I arrange this one, look at it here. You have 5t square. You arrange it plus 2t minus 20 equals to 0. So this one become A, this become B, and this one becomes C. Let us substitute it here. Minus B, that is minus 2, plus or minus the square root of my B, which is 2. 2 square minus 4 times A, which is 5, times was minus 20. Everything over what? 2 times A, that is 5. This one give me Well, let's start from here. Let's see. This give me your minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4. Minus times minus will give me 4, give me plus. 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 20, what do you have? 400 over 10. This can later see extend to be what? Minus 2 plus or minus square root of 404 over 10. Using my adding machine, you can take it viewers at home. Check what you have here. The square root, press the square root of 400, sorry, the square root of 404. Square root of 404. Square root of 404 will give me what? 20.09. 20.09. So this one becomes minus 2 plus or minus 20.09 over 10. We have two statements here, plus or minus. I can say now, when plus, this will give me what? When this equation, when this expression is plus, when plus, this become was minus 2 plus 20.09 over 10. When you remove this one from this, what do you have here? You are going to have 18.09 over 10. 18.09 over by 10, what do you have here? 18 from here, press it without wasting your time. What do you have? 18.09 divided by 10. So what do you have here? You have 1.809 seconds. Now when it is minus, you have minus 2 minus 20.09 divided by 10. What do you have? Minus 22.09 divided by 10. So what do you have? This one will give you what? 2.209. Now seconds. Remember the question said about, if you round this one, let us round it up to the nearest whole number. This one will give me what? 2. This one 2, round up to the nearest, you have a 2. So definitely our answer is 2 seconds. Thank you very much. Asemena Corporal Abimbola Abdullah Hakim.